有更加积极的进步，我也愿意和你就我们双边共同关心的问题交换意见。
Mr. Prime Minister, it is indeed a great pleasure to meet with you. This is already our second meeting today. Welcome to China to attend the International Fair of Trade in Services. Shortly after I took office as the State Council Premier of China, you sent me a letter of congratulation. And once again, thank you for your letter. As for you yourself, you have visited China on many occasions, and you have made a positive and important contribution to the relationship between China and Fiji. And I believe your current visit will go a long way to ensure even more positive progress in our bilateral relationship. I stand ready to exchange views with you today on this meeting on issues of mutual interest related to our bilateral relationship.
你是我们请来的客人，请你先谈。
You are my guest, so why don't you start first?
Thank you, Excellency.
非常感谢阁下。
Excellency Mr. Li Keqiang, the Premier of the People's Republic of China. Nisam Bulabinakan, Ni Hao, and warm greetings, Your Excellency.
你说的中文很标准，你好这两个字。
You have excellent Mandarin pronunciation, especially the word 你好。
Thank you, Your Excellency.
尊敬的中华国务院中华人民共和国李克强总理阁下，我要用斐济语说布拉比纳卡，也要用中文说您好。我仅在此向您致以亲切的问候。
Your Excellency, it is indeed my privilege to convey my sincere appreciation and gratitude for the invitation extended to visit this great land of the People's Republic of China. The courtesies that have been accorded to us delegation has been splendid and greatly appreciated.
阁下，此次能够受邀来访问伟大的中华人民共和国，我深感荣幸。在此，我要向中方对我们的邀请表示深深的感谢。同时，自从我们抵达以来，中方给予我们盛情的款待，我们在此向中方表示感谢。
As I conveyed to His Excellency President Xi Jinping this morning, I'm delighted and humbled to learn that I'm the first Pacific Island leader to be granted this honor to set foot on your great country in the recent accessions to the helms of leadership of this great nation. Allow me to personally congratulate Your Excellency on behalf of my government and the people of the Republic of Fiji to your new leadership role.
阁下，正如今天上午我向习主席所说的那样，我非常高兴地得知，我在太平洋岛国的领袖里面是第一位在中国顺利地完成了领导人换届之后来访华的领导人。我对此深表荣幸。在此呢，请允许我个人，并且代表斐济政府和人民向您表示祝贺，祝贺您履新。
I'm confident, Your Excellency, that with your astounding leadership, the People's Republic of China will rise to greater heights and further strengthen the relationship between our two countries and our peoples.